Hey guys, Nat from Babyhood here, and today I'd like to show you our luxurious Breathe Eze Mattress Protector Sheet and why it should be a staple in your nursery. Now, the first thing you notice about this sheet is that it's extremely soft. It feels really beautiful and there's no plastic feel at all. It's designed to be placed where your baby lays, which means ultimate comfort and breathability for your baby. We have this in two sizes, one for a cradle or a bassinet, and another for our cots and porta cots. Our sheet is made with new technology which makes it waterproof, and I'll now demonstrate that to you with this glass of water. Now, as you can see, the complete underside is dry. Please give me a call if you'd like any more information on any Babyhood products on 07 3208 3555 or head to babyhood.com.au.